Hi everybody, welcome to my living room. Today I have February 2021 Glossybox. Got it in the mail. I haven't even opened it. I do know what the theme is, so I came prepared. Glossybox is a monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code so you can get your first box for 16 bucks. That's right. Use my link below. It's a link just for you. I make no commission, no profit off of that link, but it does enable you to get your first box for $16. Glossybox sent me this box for my review. Do you guys know what this is? This is a cassette tape. Yep. So back in the 80s and 90s, this is what we did. We would make cassette tapes. So I grabbed a few of my old cassette tapes just to show you for giggles what we would do. Check this one out. I made it for Michael Jackson. It has Thriller and Off the Wall. This is what we did to keep ourselves busy. We listened to this in our cars, in our rooms, and if you had a boyfriend or girlfriend, they would make you mixtapes. I actually found one from a boyfriend, made him this mixtape. Stuff like Unforgettable, What Would I Do Without You, What Do I Do With Me? Brings back a lot of memories on what we would do for each other. Found some of my husband's mixtapes. Spin Doctors, Aerosmith, Led Zeppelin. All right. And this is Alice in Chains. He made a mixtape. So I am probably dating myself, but I thought I would show you what an actual mixtape looks like. A lot of you will remember it. Some of you will be like, what is she talking about? Nobody does that anymore. And it's true. Nobody does do that anymore. Here is the Glossybox. Love it, love it, love it. This is going to be a box I keep and store all sorts of junk in. It could be junk like makeup, crafting supplies. It's my junk. They're great boxes. A lot of people always rave about the boxes because they're nicely made. They're strong. It's tied with a really pretty pink ribbon. The theme is Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. There's some tissue paper on it. I'm telling you, I have not looked at this, so this is going to be a nice surprise. I just saw the theme online. And here we go, cutting it deep. This is the contents. So the first thing on top, this is by Pearl. This is not a drink. I can tell you that. It looks like one of those little juice boxes, but it's not. Let's see what this is. This is a brightening sleeping mask by Pearl. Okay, I like me a good mask. And it's worth $6. This is a 2-in-1 formula, brightens tones, and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. Right there. Can you see that? So yeah, try it tonight maybe. Looks good. Remember, don't drink it. Then we got something by SYS. This looks like, it says it's a deluxe mini. The deluxe mini is 20 bucks. Woohoo! That's an expensive deluxe mini, but that's why you get a subscription box. This alone pays for the box. Let's see what it looks like. It is deluxe mini, great to travel with. Great to try. You want to try a product, see if you like it before you buy it. This is a prickly pear extract cream. You use it as part of your daily skincare regimen and just leave it on your skin. Apply all over face after cleansing. and in the, morning and the evening. So, hey, let's see if it's sealed. No, I don't smell anything. I must have COVID. Bad joke. No, I don't have COVID. Alrighty. Don't hate on me. It's just a joke. Okay. What is this? I have no idea. It's pretty packaging though, isn't it? I should just keep my readers on. They make me look like a librarian, I think. This is a shampoo and conditioner set by Pat Away. This is a deluxe mini, $8. The full set, if you were to buy this in the store, would be $47. Shampoo and conditioner. It doesn't expire for another 2 years. So very nice. This is probably the size you'd get in a nice hotel. So that is the conditioner. Can always use a good conditioner. And, ooh, that's the shampoo. So, okay. Seems great, I guess. I don't know. I have to see how it works on my hair. I have no idea. Then we have a rose sugar scrub. You buff away your dead skin cells. This is a full size. You're not going to believe how much this is. This is by Advanced Skin Care. Full size, $71. Hello, Joe. That's crazy. I mean, could you see that? $71. All right. I don't know what to say about that, but I hope it works wonders. Maybe it'll make my lips thicker, because I always kind of want like bigger, more plumper lips without, I don't get injections of any kind, but you never know, right? I'm stretching it. So, yeah, $71. Very pricey. But, it could be good. Me personally, would I spend $71 for this? Never. Sorry. Just wouldn't. Okay, the last item is makeup. I love makeup and I love pink. This is, let's see what this is. This is a shimmer powder. You could have gotten it in one of 3 colors, Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. Mine is Wow, and it is by Bella Pierre, $15. You can use this as an eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. So, as a blush. It is totally sealed. So I'm not even gonna swatch it here. I will get it all over the carpet, and my house would be a disaster. And guess who would have to clean it? Moi, me. So, what do you think of the box? I think it's a very decent box for $16. I think if you want to check out Glossybox, and 16 bucks is a very reasonable price, this would be a good box. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to know your thoughts, and give me a like, give me a comment. I'm still a small channel. I answer every single comment, especially I love the nice ones. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be great too. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you Glossybox for sending this for my review. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. Stay healthy and happy. Bye.